we're going to talk about the key nuggets, music and dance expressions. Okay. So when it comes to music, let me tell you this. You looking? When it comes to music, make sure it's something that connects with you in some sort of way. It's very important because if you, for instance, if you get a song and they're like, get up there and dance, you know, this is the song and blah, blah, blah. And you're not connected with that song, that's exactly what it's going to look like. So, I tend to pick songs that are ministering to me at that particular moment. And I don't wait a long time before trying to minister. And so, for instance, if a song is given to me, you know, I'm saying, you know, given to me, and I'm like, okay, well, let me listen to it. And then I connect with it, then great. But I don't wait 60 days before trying to minister in that song because my mindset is probably on something different. I'm probably, you know, I'm not feeling the same way I was feeling 30 days or 60 days ago now, and you want me to minister this song now. So that's why I try to get songs that how I'm feeling. Whatever it is that I'm feeling, I try to not wait too long before getting up there to minister. That's the point. So that's my key nugget for you. Make sure that the songs that you pick are connecting with you in some sort of way. Sometimes it will bring tears to your eyes. It will bring tears to your eyes. I know plenty of times, but that's another key there. Even though you're getting ready to minister, whatever it may be, and tears come to your eyes, you still need to complete your task. Still complete whatever it is that has been given to you to dance, your movements. You know, for me, when I remember this last one, I had stepped here and I had stepped there, and then I had crouched down and I went up. So I'm just showing you another movement. You can add it to your mix. So you just sway to the right, sway to the left, down, stomach, up. And I did this movement, and then tears were just rolling down my face. But I still had to just keep on going. I still had to keep on praising. I couldn't, or you shouldn't, be crouched over, holding on to yourself, crying and weeping. And, you know, the song still has to go forth. At the end, go for it. You can do all the crying you want to do, honey. But at the middle, beginning, whenever it is that the Spirit may hit you, just know to keep going. Keep going. Just press through that. Wipe your tears away. Like I said, I was here. I mean, just wipe your tears away and keep on pressing. That's important. That's an important key nugget. The other things is facial expressions. Your face tells a story. You could just stand here and do nothing. But you see my face? You see all the movement? That's what I mean by facial expressions matter when you're doing a movement. You could be doing the simplest movements, pow, pow, pow. If you look at your hands and show that you're happy about it, or you're really saying something, you see this little I'm putting into it, there's a difference from just, you see that? That's what I mean by facial expressions. It's very, very, very important. Did y'all notice? I moved my scarf around. You can do that at any time. Sometimes these scarves can do a little bit extra. I mean, you can just do whatever you want to do. But that is in another section pertaining to your garments. So there it is. That's pretty much the end of this section. I just wanted to throw that out there. Just some key nuggets on facial expressions and continuing to press. Finish what it is you're completing when it comes to your dance movements, and finish whatever it is that's in your mind. Empty it. Empty it out. That is all. Thank you so much. We're going to go on to the next section. Stay with me, okay?